Imagine there's a word used by more than a billion people, but English has no exact word for it. That word is jugaad. Jugaad isn't just a hack or an innovation. It's a completely different way of solving problems when you have almost nothing. In India, people use jugaad every single day, from villages to billion-dollar startups. But here's the surprising part. English still doesn't have one perfect word for it. So what exactly makes jugaad so unique, and why the English language never been able to translate it? Let's find out. But what exactly is jugaad? Many people think it simply means a hack or a cheap solution, but that's not true. Jugaad is the ability to solve a difficult problem using creativity, limited resources, and a quick thinking. Imagine your car breaks down in the middle of nowhere. Instead of giving up, someone finds a smart way to get it running again using only what's available around them. That's jugaad. It's not about being perfect. It's about finding a clever solution when everyone else thinking it's impossible. And that's exactly why the word jugaad is so difficult to translate. Words like innovation, improvisation, or even hack come close, but they all miss something important. Jugaad isn't just about finding a solution, it's about solving a problem with creativity, limited resources, and a never give up mindset. That's why many global companies, business schools, and innovation experts have started using the word jugaad instead of trying to replace it with an English word. Here's a simple example. Imagine you are in the middle of a road and suddenly your bicycle chain breaks. Most people would stop looking for a repair shop or simply give up. But someone with jugaad mindset looks around first. Maybe there's a piece of wire, a zip tie, or simple other objects that can temporarily solve the problem. The goal isn't to build the perfect solution. The goal is to keeping moving with whatever resources are available. That's the heart of jugaad. Not perfection, but practical creativity under pressure. And that's exactly why one simple English word can't fully capture its meaning. What's even more interesting is that jugaad is no longer just an Indian word. Today, people around the world use it while talking about creativity, innovation, and solving problems with limited resources. Business leaders have discussed the idea of jugaad because it shows that great ideas don't always need expensive technology or huge budgets. Sometimes the smartest solution comes from thinking differently, not from spending more money. And maybe that's why this simple Indian word has become famous far beyond India. But jugaad isn't the only word that English struggles to translate. Japan has komorebi, the beautiful sunlight shining through tree leaves. Germany has schadenfreude, the strange feeling of enjoying someone else's failure. And India has jugaad, the art of solving impossible problems with creativity and limited resources. Every language has words that reveals how people see the world, and that's what makes learning languages so fascinating. So next time someone tells you English can translate every language, just ask them one question. What's the English word for jugaad? Subscribe for more hidden language secrets. See you in the next video.